Trying to find balance in between, but it's like my life getting dizzy. Praying out loud, can you hear me? Coming out, I don't consume me.
Right now I'm watching some YouTube, but I got it on mute. I wanted to update. I'm talking about I wanted to update. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Pulling my little J right now. Right now I'm sewing some shorts. They look kind of wide. They is a little too big, but I feel like they'll shrink once I wash them and stuff. And plus the material, I don't want to make them too small because they don't have as much stretch. So yeah, I'm in the process of making me like some tops, but I just want to fix basically just hem these shorts. But yeah, I'm making me some tops, but right now I'm on a little break, trying to hit the J. So yes, we're about to get on the road. Head to ATL. We're leaving late tonight. What time is it? It's currently right now 7:33. 2 gets off at 9. So I'm currently right now packing and stuff. I'm really basically already packed. I just want to bring the rest of the stuff that I'm like sewing. I'm thinking about making this a top. I cut these 2 little pieces from a it was supposed to be a dress, like a little romper thing. This little thing from TJ Maxx. It's like a button-down skirt, and those flaps was like connected. It was like connected, this type of thing. Before I cut it, this is kind of, well, if I had it on the right side. I'm struggling. But yeah, this is basically what it was given. And I just cut it because I didn't want it to be connected. Like, I wanted it to be separated to kind of give it a 2-piece effect. And it got pockets. I feel like that's so cute. And I feel like that'd be cute for the skirt to be able to button up and down. And then just make this like a little bra top type of thing. But I'm trying to figure out if I was to cut these, will I have enough? Oh, I think I would. Oh, that'd be fine. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do with that. But right now I'm just rolling, so.
What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said out here having his way. Way out here having his way.
Everything black on that we going to. But we about to go get something to eat, and we about to go to the mall. We about to get drinks, and we about to shop, and then I need to change. Yeah. I brought the perfume to the handy, honey. The Ormandy. It's the, hold up. That's what it's called. Vanilla bean. I love vanilla bean. I'm just convinced. I need to get vanilla bean candles, all that. I love vanilla.
I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I was sharing, but today I'm killing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
1, 2, 3.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out in every instant. I can feel the changes. I can feel a new life. I always knew life can be dangerous. I can say that I like a challenge and you to me is painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the color's gone?
Hood bitch, but I'm classy. I'm gon' fuck you all in your backseat. Heard you said it was your birthday. You can record, you ain't gotta ask me. Actually.
This was trying to not look like Trump. But we about to get some sweets right now at this black-owned vegan sweetie bakery spot. And then we gonna head back to the house, probably take a little nap. And then I wanna go to the lounge and then eat. I wanna just hear some good music, dance, look cute. And yeah, also I'm gonna do some hair too. So, that drink, ooh, y'all, that passion fruit ginger drink. Ooh, had your girl a little smashed, okay? Definitely, but also too, I think it's because I just got off my fast not too long, so I'm a little lightweight right now, but I'm always a lightweight, but I feel like it's a little lightweight OD right now, lightweight on the heavy.
If you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these times like you the Batman. You just wanna pull up in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shy. I ain't give you nothing, you can come for shy. I got plenty things you make a run for shy.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
I be just looking at this shit like. On the way back to the groovy. So what you rate your place? 1 out of 10. She's over here asleep.
6.5, 7.
I was about to say, I'd say like a 7, 7.5.
Alright, I'm a 7.5.
Alright, 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10.
I got my
7 out of 10. You know, probably would recommend.